All right, I'm doing this short video on a solar system I just replaced. It was a smaller system. This is much better quality parts. I don't think I'll have any issues and problems with leaks on this one. Got about 30 feet of panels on this one. Had to go around a few vents and did like they said. It worked out pretty good. As you noticed, I used some 1-footers in there to do as much as I could. I've got 3 1-footers to make as much out of this as I could. Overall, I'm very pleased with the system. I just got it installed, so I guess I'll know later how it works, but it seems to be raising the pool at least 10 degrees a day. So there you go.